Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Previous videos we are running Python series about a while loop. So today video we're gonna talk about what is for loop. So stay tuned with me. If you like our session, please hit the like button and do subscribe. So let's start with a for loop. So as you see, we are observing that in C and C++ programming languages, we write this kind of for loop syntax, right? And we get the output like this. You heard about this int or main increment. This for loop we write in C and C++, but in Python it's different. So we need to completely understand. For that we need to know two things: range. What is range? So range is we define a range in a for loop that from starting position to end position, that range will be defined. So it is basically a built-in function in Python. Okay, when you know built-in function, what you know that this is a built-in function. Okay, so it means a range generate an integer between these two, this means first position to second end position, means whatever. If the range if I know this starting from 1, the second range, last range will be 10. That range is between that 1 to 9. It not included 10. Why? Because only this much part will be including that range. Okay, so first we have to know what is range. The range, by example I am explaining. Okay, so carefully observe. Suppose I want to write a range here. Print function, I write a range 1 to 12. So within 1 to 12 the range will be defined, means whatever the integers between 1 to 12 will be defined here. So if I print like this way, I can see the output here. Okay, we are using list here. Why we are using list? Because if you only write range, it will be not showing anything. If you print within the list, means this is a complete list now, so it will be stored within the list, right? Okay, so if you write like this, list of range of 5, if this starts from 0. Okay, it not included 5. It is 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it start counting from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I said, it's not included 5 because range is up to 4. It not include 5. Okay. So by defining range, we have to mention 3 things in a range. So in a range, first thing is start position, second thing is top position, and state position. So what all are these? If you observe this, if I write single 5 here, range single 5, it automatically assume from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it automatically assume, but I am not mentioning starting position, but it will automatically assume that. Okay. In state position, what you see here, in state position, you take a one step ahead. Means if I write this, suppose I write from 1 to 8 and 2 in the range. This is a start position, this is a stop position, this is step position. So from 1 to 8 how it will be showing? It will be showing that one, it will be skip one number. It will skip one number. See, within that 1 to 8 range, that range will be completely print, but skip one number, as we see in my result. Okay, you can generate the number from 1 to 8, but the gap between two number is 2. As you see now, I given step 2. 2 means one number will be skipped. Like 3, if I put 3, it means two numbers skip. Like as I told you in my previous videos, you can go and watch the videos. Okay, if you know this example, you can easily solve any problem regarding for loop. Before that, we need to must know what is range. So next step is what is a negative. Negative wise also you can mention the range. If I write this way, 10, 0, -1, if I write it. Okay, so they will start from 10, 9, 8, 7, 1 up to 1. That list will be print. Okay, next we see what is sequence. So coming to sequence, what is sequence? So sequence in Python means whatever we write a particular order, we need to be stored a sequence. Like as we know, is list is a sequence, set is a sequence, list, set, tuple, these are all are sequence. Okay, if I answer this example, you can see this example on this. I will write it on a list. Okay, these are the city name. I write it. So this is what? This is a sequence of city name. So if you want to access one by one, we are using for loop. So for loop means for loop work with sequence or range function. Means if you store a value in a list, you can access through by for loop. Okay, let me show you one example. We are using for loop from 1 to 10. Okay, this loop running. Okay, one by one number will be going to I. This I position going to and check. Okay, and print I means 1 to 9. 1 to 10 I mentioned, up to 1 to 9 the value will be print here. This loop run continuously up to 9. Okay, after that automatically stop. Okay, likewise if you write this on step position also, 1, 10 and 2, these two you write it. Why? Because we have to skip one number. So within the list 1 to 10, they skip one number. Okay, and the rest of the list will be printed. Okay,
You can apply various ranges from, if you apply for a single range also. From single range they started from 0, as I discussed in previous. Okay. In string also you can do it by string. If you write a city name called Kolkata, right? So for Kolkata, if you want to print all the letter, so you have to write this and print I. So sequence, all the sequence of letter will be printed here. Kolkata, as you see, all these loops will be continued up to this full letter will be printed. Okay, this is a sequence. Like the sequence we can write by list, we are using tuple, anything we can write it. Okay, we can access from the list, we can access from the tuple, we can access from the sets. When you solve a problem, then you better to understand. Okay, before that we need to know why to use for loop and while loop, where to use it, where we can use it this. So understand this note is very important. At least we need to know that a basic idea about where we can use it. For loop is a for loop and while loop are used for iteration. Using for loop, you know that how many times a loop can execute. Okay, and using while loop, you know that what it runs until the condition is false. Okay, at least you know this because we don't know that at what condition we are using for loop, at what condition we are using while loop. So before proceeding to problem, so a basic idea about this. Okay, you know this. Okay, if you like our session till now, please do subscribe and follow us. Thank you so much.